Hello and welcome to Canon Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this DeLonghi Magnifica XS espresso machine, and we replaced this board. We were getting a general alarm, and as often is the case, if the temperature sensor isn't bad, then and the fuses aren't bad, then the main board is bad. So let's go ahead and pull a shot. Nice shot of espresso. Let's test the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for playing with Canon Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.